What's in the cookie jar? Let's find out. It's a Butterball cookie. Welcome to Cedarcroft. Today we are going to be making my mom's Butterball cookies. These cookies may look similar to other cookies that you've heard other names for, but Mom has always called them Butterball, and so that's what we're calling them today. How long have you been making this cookie, Mom?
Probably 45 years.
45? Yeah, that's pretty good. 45 years. That's nice.
A friend of mine gave me the recipe.
Nice, nice. Okay, so I'm going to get out of the way and let Mom teach us how to make these cookies.
Okay, you take 2 cups of butter.
Okay, so 2 cups of butter, and Mom is going to cream the butter a little bit with a wooden spoon. If your butter is not soft enough, you can definitely use a mixer, but for this one it should be pretty easy. So she's just going to soften the butter.
8 tablespoons of powdered sugar.
8 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Good.
And 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Okay, 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
You sure those 2?
Yep, that was 2 teaspoons.
Yeah.
Yep. And so she's going to stir this together until it all incorporates.
Okay, and 4 cups of flour. Just dump it all in.
One and a half cups of chopped nuts, and these are pecans or pecans.
Pecans.
However you want to say it is fine with me. Once your cookie dough is mixed, you are going to roll them in 1-inch balls, about the size of a small walnut. And they don't rise, they don't spread, so you can put them fairly close together.
You want to make some?
Sure. Let me wash my hands. This batch of cookies made 48 cookies. We fit 24 on each pan. You're going to want to bake these cookies anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. It took us a full 20 minutes to get a light tan on the bottom of the cookies, and that's what you're looking for. Once they're done, you're going to remove them from the pan and put them on a cooling rack. And once they're on the cooling rack, we have some powdered sugar, and while they're hot, you are going to roll those cookies in the powdered sugar. Now the heat from the cookie will kind of melt that sugar and make it stick. Sometimes we roll them twice, it just depends on how hot the cookie is. So for those of you who don't know, my mom, Nancy, collects cookie jars. And so what's in the cookie jar, each time we will feature a different cookie jar from her collection. Isn't this Chef Piggy cute? I just love him. So are you ready to taste test these Butterballs, Mom?
Yeah.
It won't be the first time we've had these, trust me. But
they're twice the size they should be.
Yeah. When we rolled them out just a little too big. You're going to want more of a small size, probably a small size walnut
Yes.
Well, let me say that again. You're probably going to want a smaller size walnut ball to begin with for the cookie. And these are more like a 4-bite cookie instead of a 1 or 2-bite cookie.
Right.
All right, well, cheers to the cookies. These are good. They're really good. I can taste the butter. The pecans in there are delicious. The cookie is light. What do you think?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
We did a good job.
It's my favorite.
This is quickly becoming my favorite too. Covered in powdered sugar. What's not to love? One more bite, and then we're out. This is really good with a cup of coffee. Don't tell anybody, but I might have had one for breakfast this morning.
So did I.
Mom did too. Okay. She wasn't going to confess it. Took her a little bit. So, if you love pecans, this is the cookie for you. Load them up. And it's like every single bite has a nut. They are a little messy. Here. Are you okay? Mm-hmm. They're a little messy just because of the powdered sugar. But really, the cookie itself holds together, so that's not the problem.
Yeah.
No?
So just the sugar.
Just the sugar. I would definitely give this a try. And 1 out of 10, this cookie gets a 10 from me. How about you? Mm-hmm. 10. So definitely give this cookie a try. And as always, thank you for watching, and thank you for joining me on this adventure back to Cedar Croft. And we'll see you next time.